so I think I know the answer to this one, but why should somebody not close an account?
Well, if you look at what calculates your FICO score, 15% of that credit score is the length of open trade lines. So when you're closing out an older account, you're essentially cutting that length down, okay? That 15% could be adversely affected, which could actually cause a drop in credit. Sometimes it could be pretty crucial. So you never want to do that. It's 15% of the score. If you're not carrying a balance or paying an annual fee unnecessarily, I would suggest keeping the cards open.
Great tip. And for more credit information, you can follow Nick on our blog right here on Real Estate Talk Boston on boston.com.